Hello there. Together, let's follow a step-by-step guide on how to render lighting with nesting eyes. Step 1. Take a moment to draw something or dig up an old sketch that needs some attention. Step 2. Lock the transparency of your sketch layer, then pick a pale pink or purple color and fill in your sketch with it. Step 3. Change your sketch layer's transparency mode to multiply. Step 4. Color in your sketch with a light flat color that is easy to see underneath your pale sketch lines. White is probably the best for this. Step 5. Lock the transparency of this flat layer and fill it in with a base color. Whatever color your subject is for the most part would be the best choice here. Step 6. Create a new layer above your base color and set it as a clipping mesh. You can do this for each new color that you add. Step 7. Once you have colored everything and are happy with it, select all of these layers and group them into a folder. Step 8. Create 2 new layers and set them each as a clipping mesh to your group folder. Step 9. Set the top layer to overlay and the bottom layer to multiply. The top layer will be for your lights and the bottom will be for your shadows. Don't forget, you can add as many shading and lighting layers as you like. Doing so can help with ambient occlusion and even bounce lighting. You are all done. It is up to you what finishing touches you would like to make. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And there you have it. You are all done. It is up to you what finishing touches you would like to make. As you would like. I should make a better idea. I should make I should it's a better already. I should it's a better video. It's a better I should